Hello everybody, my name is Fahad and this video is about the self joins. Okay, in the last video we have learned about the right join, okay, but in this video this is about the self join, and in the self join we do not need two tables, and the second thing is we are not going to use any keyword like join keyword. Okay, so what is the self join is about? Okay, the self join is just kind of a regular join and it just join with its own self. Okay, it just connect with its own self. So let me just show you how does it look and how does it work. So first of all, let me just select customer table. Now you can see here we have the three columns in the customer table. Alright, now select
C1 customer, C2 customer,
from. Okay, now you can see here we have used the same table but with the two different names. Okay, it just kind of, I have created the different object or the variable of that table, the C1 and the C2. Now I will just be trying to use these two tables together, so I have to put a condition here that C1 ID does not match with the C2 ID, and second thing is C1 dot city is equal to C2 dot city. Alright, okay, so this is not equal to operator. Alright, so what I am doing in this queries or this command, that I'm just telling MySQL to show me the pair of the customer who belongs to the same city. So let me just give it a name here as, so it's just kind of I'm telling it that show me the customers who belong to the same city. Okay, let's just see how does it work. Okay, now you can see here it is showing us all the possible values, all the possible combinations of the customers who belong to the same city. Now you can see here the Joy, Susan, the Ross and the Susan, and the Tony and the Susan. Okay, the both values, the first customer and the second customer, these both values belong to the same city. So this is how it works. So this is how we create the self join. If you really find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.